Five leading countries to set up offshore companies. An offshore company set up in an administration that has a particular regime for these sorts of structures. Countries that are outstanding as tax havens offer low or zero taxes on offshore company benefits, light banking and offshore banking procedures, and the simplicity of performing and overseeing international tasks. Here we have presented the 5 countries for opening offshore companies. 5. The British Virgin Islands. The British Virgin Islands, or BVI, is a legitimate international offshore destination that is additionally charge tax neutral for organizations that are locally incorporated. The BVI business company is the business type of decision and can be joined by one director and one investor or shareholders, just as corporate executives and corporate investors. There are no prerequisites to disclose the characters of the company's valuable proprietors, and bearer shares are allowed. A similar limitation on owning land or real estate or trading inside the islands applies to the BC. 4. Cayman Islands. Another perfect goal to base an offshore support investment or an offshore company. The Cayman Islands are impartial from a taxation perspective and offer a wide exhibit of offshore banking choices for speculators because of the huge number of private banks that have set up their branches here. There is no withholding taxes, no corporate income tax, and no capital gains. Financial investors can open a customary organization or exempt company. Such companies are required to document a minimum yearly return. 3. Hong Kong. An offshore company in Hong Kong is one of the best financial centers on the planet and an alluring purview that offers a steady and productive banking system and a universal business environment that invites investors from foreign nations. The special administrative region isn't a tax haven as this term is commonly seen. However, it has a low corporate income tax rate and has marked various twofold tax treaties. Company's arrangement in Hong Kong is a basic procedure and there is no compulsory prerequisite for minimum share capital for the limited liability company. 2. Bahamas. The Bahamas propose advantages in tax just as investor privacy. An offshore company consolidated here, the Bahamas IBC, is an adaptable business structure that can be utilized for a number of purposes, including asset or fund security, planning for an estate or tax reduction. The organization is absolved from all nearby assessments and can be integrated by at least one director and one investor, shareholder. There are various limitations regarding trading or owning land, real estate in the Bahamas for the IBC. Before we go to number 1, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by rtrsupportslimited.com. RTR Supports Limited can provide UK company and bank account in one day. Please visit rtrsupportslimited.com for more information. 1. Belize. A well-known offshore destination, Belize is one of the tax havens where no corporate income tax applies and organizations are additionally absolved from the stamp obligation, capital gain tax and the retention imposes on profits. Non-resident business entrepreneurs are invited here and enjoy the advantage from various favorable circumstances. Nonetheless, they can't hold property in Belize or perform exchanging exercises in Belize. They should engage in universal trading. The Belize IBC International Business Company is anything but difficult to set up and there is no prerequisite for a minimum base paid up capital. Thanks for watching. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comment section below, we'll answer you shortly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.